Have you ever wondered what could bring warmth and comfort to your soul on a frosty winter day? Welcome to Food Brings Life, a haven for all food lovers. Today, we're taking a culinary journey into the world of winter comfort foods. Brace yourselves for a gastronomic adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and warm your hearts. First on our list is the classic winter favorite, creamy butternut squash soup. This velvety delight, brimming with the rich flavors of roasted butternut squash, carrots, and a hint of nutmeg, is like a warm hug in a bowl. Here's how to whip up this soul-soothing soup. Start with roasting the vegetables, blend them to a smooth consistency, add cream and seasonings, and voila, your comforting bowl of soup is ready. Next, imagine a dish that's both hearty and flavorsome, perfect for a chilly winter day: the slow cooker beef stew. This dish is an amalgamation of tender beef chunks, root vegetables, and aromatic herbs that create a comforting and satisfying meal. The slow cooking process infuses the flavors deep within, making every bite a delightful experience. No winter food list would be complete without a cozy beverage, so bid farewell to store-bought hot chocolate packets and prepare to make a decadent homemade hot chocolate. This involves melting real chocolate, warming up some milk, and topping it off with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of cocoa powder. This is not just a beverage, it's the ultimate winter indulgence. Lastly, we've got a dessert that's synonymous with winter: the baked apple crisp. This sweet treat combines fresh apples, cinnamon, and a buttery oat topping to create a dessert that's easy to make and even easier to love. The secret to achieving that perfect balance of sweetness and crunch lies in the ratio of ingredients and the baking time. To summarize, we've explored a range of winter comfort foods today. From a creamy butternut squash soup and a hearty slow cooker beef stew, to a homemade hot chocolate and a baked apple crisp. Each of these recipes promises to bring warmth and joy to your winter days. So which of these recipes has caught your culinary imagination? Share your thoughts in the comments section. If you've enjoyed this gastronomic journey, show your love by hitting the thumbs up button and sharing this video with fellow food aficionados. Subscribe for more such delicious content, and until next time, stay warm and keep your kitchens buzzing with activity.